I wish everyone an amazing participation in Sanskriti Pratibha Utsav organized by my sister Alaknanda Di under Alaknanda Institute for Performing Arts for so many decades. It's been a platform for young artists, and it's a festival and it's a festivity. All the best to all the participants, and I know it's going to be a rocking success. The day the universe got to know that she's with she's even deeper with us in spirit, and I could actually hear her voice in the corridor. Apu, मैं आ गई, दीदी कहाँ है, अलग कहाँ है? My voice doesn't even match an iota of her voice. और दीदी दूसरी तरफ से, अरे स्वागता तू आ गई. दोनों volcanic eruptions of creativity and positivity and so much of love and so much of loggerheads and ideas, but they both, that friendship will always stay forever and remain special. And she used to say in front of my sister कि अपू तेरी ऐसी एक छोटी सिस्टर मेरे को भी चाहिए. To admire the bond between she and my sister, and so strong, and दोनों ही एकदम working hard and bringing their students in front, and working for the students always, for bringing creative things on stage, and it was maddening, both of them. क्या ही बोलूं मैं? I mean, there's so much to say. I mean, how can I just summarize it? But all I can say is she's alive and she's kicking in her spirit in all of us. Swagata Di, I love you, and wherever you are, you should know that you sprinkled so much of love to so many people. So many people. I mean, all you gave is love. All you gave is warmth. All you gave is care. I mean, I'm so happy that, you're an example for others to leave a mark behind like this, leave a legacy like this, to remember you. So that loss will never be filled for sure, and her going away has been too soon. This was not the time. But thank you, Didi, my sister, that you made this occasion very special, and pranam to both of you.
Namaste. My name is Crystal Pillay, and when Swagata came to South Africa, she stayed with me for a short while. It didn't take us long to become friends. Swagata was just more than a dance guru. She's offered so much to the youngsters here in South Africa. Swagata was definitely a force to be reckoned with. Her beautiful smile that could light up a room, her jokes, her comments, and her general zest for life is something that touched all of us. I still feel sad, totally a sense of disbelief that she's not around. But for everything that happens in life, I do believe that there is some divine plan. And Swagata is definitely singing and dancing in the heavens. And we can hope to meet her when we get there one day. Dearest Swagata, I know you're looking over all of us. And I know that your heart must be beaming with pride when you look down on your children, your dear dance babies. You are dearly loved and missed. So until we meet again, go well, my dear friend, and rest not in peace, but go out there and dance up a storm, and you will be creating the most divine symphony of music and dance. My love goes out to all of you. Namaste.
Namaste. Swagata Akka. Swagata Akka gave me my first big break in Delhi, and she always stayed in touch even after the program. She would call, she would message, she would always check up on me and make sure that I'm doing well, that I'm practicing, that I'm working hard, and that I'm always taken care of. Swagata Akka is, I will still say is, because she lives on in my heart, is a gem of a person. And the knowledge that she has given, not to me but to this world, is unfathomable. Swagata Akka truly was devoted to giving opportunity to young dancers, and she did so continuously without stopping. I will forever be grateful for what she has done for me, and I have a lot of fond memories of her and her beautiful smile. I truly will miss her.
Akka would often say that she spoon feeds us, and I didn't realize how true that was until I started preparing for this competition. She would just paint this beautiful picture around every item that we would learn and explain each and every lyric so well that ultimately it used to just naturally come to us. And somehow without all of that, I feel very lost. I feel blessed to have grown up basking in her energy and light. I miss her and I hope to make her proud.
स्वागता, ये नाम है उस शख्सियत का जिसे दुनिया में लोग एक बहुत ही उम्दा डांसर के रूप में, बहुत ही उम्दा एजुकेटर के रूप में, बहुत ही उम्दा कम्युनिकेटर के रूप में और बहुत ही उम्दा प्रेजेंटर के रूप में जानते हैं। लेकिन मैं रवि गुप्ता, जो स्वागता के साथ कुछ वर्षों तक केंद्रीय विद्यालय एंड्रयूसगंज में पढ़ा, मैं स्वागता को एक बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान और बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त के रूप में जानता हूँ। स्वागता का नाम याद आते ही एकदम एक मीठी सी मुस्कुराहट चेहरे पर आ जाती है। स्वागता का वो बेबाकी से हंसना, सबके साथ मिलना जुलना, दोस्तों के साथ बिल्कुल बच्चों की तरह मिक्स हो जाना, उनके साथ में एंजॉय करना, ये जानते हुए भी कि आज वो हमारे बीच नहीं है, ये दिल कभी भी मानता नहीं है। कोई भी उसकी तस्वीर देखो, ऐसा महसूस होता है जैसे अभी तस्वीर से निकलकर बोलने लग पड़ेगी। उसका मुस्कुराता चेहरा आंखों से कभी ओझल ही नहीं हो पाता। वो हमारे दिलों में हमेशा बसी रहेगी और वो जहाँ पर भी है, भगवान उसको सारी खुशियाँ प्रदान करे।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुदीप्त मजूमदार है और कई सालों से मैं आईपा और मिस अलकनंदा दासगुप्ता के साथ एसोसिएटेड हूँ। बहुत प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं। सबसे पहले congratulations for coming up with yet another episode of Sanskriti Pratibha Utsav 2021. Swagata Sen Pillai, a wonderful human being, बेहतरीन अदाकारा और कमिंग अप विथ, मतलब कि क्या कह सकते हैं कि मैंने उनके साथ इतने प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम किया है कि एंड शी हैज कम अप विथ सो मेनी डिफरेंट आइडियाज, और हर बार एक नई चीज के साथ वो मुझसे मिलती थी। और सबसे बड़ी बात कि वो इतनी हंसी मजाक के अंदर शी वॉज सो जॉयफुल, पर अपने काम के लिए शी वॉज ए परफेक्शनिस्ट, कि उनको जो चीज चाहिए एंड वॉट एवर शी हैज प्लान्ड एंड वॉट एवर शी हैज कंसेप्चुअलाइज्ड, वो वही चीज चाहती थी। थैंक यू अगेन अलकनंदा, thank you again Aipa for giving me an opportunity to speak about Swagata Sen Pillai.
My Akka, an aura that no one could pass by without feeling inspired. Her happy or strict stern voice calling me Maddie, come here, made my heart rush, and her hugs filled with love made us melt. My source of knowledge, my inspiration for arts. She brought the love for colors in her life. Akka, I know you are looking out for us even now. We are your bachchas and I hope we make you proud.
Swagata was not only my good friend, colleague, a very intelligent choreographer, dancer and whatnot, multilinguist. In fact, she was more a sister to me than a friend. They were always with each other for our happy moments and sad moments too. But now we are all sad that she's not around us. But I appreciate the efforts of the Alaknanda Center for Performing Arts to keep her memories alive through this audio visual.
दीदी को हर फील्ड की नॉलेज थी। ये जो है कि फील्ड की नॉलेज होना, उसको उसके बारे में समझाना, बताना, ये सिर्फ उन्हीं में था। लाइफ में बहुत लोगों से मिला हूँ, पर दी जैसा कोई नहीं। वो हमेशा चाहती थी कि मैं अपनी आगे की पढ़ाई जारी रखूँ, जो कि मैं कर नहीं पाया। मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि जो वो चाहती थी वो मैं कर पाऊँ। वो जहाँ भी है वहाँ से हम पे अपना आशीर्वाद सदैव बनाए रखेंगे।
It is so difficult to pigeonhole a personality as vivacious as Swagata Akka's. Akka was always all in with the entirety of her being, no matter what it was. Her passion, her drive, they were palpable and they were infectious. They wanted you to get up and just achieve, to do, to be, to make her proud. The days and nights that we have spent with her are testimony to how she knows how to capture your imagination with her stories, with her opinions, with the questions that she makes you ask. In spirit or in person, however she is from beyond the ether, Akka, I love you. All of your students love you, and we will keep on going because that's how you brought us up. And thank you so much, Alaknanda Didi, for doing this, because this is truly the testimony to your friendship, that in such a cutthroat competitive world, you are just giving her such a beautiful and such a generous tribute. All my love to everyone. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
One of the fondest memories of class that I have with Akka is of my first day, when I sat for the whole duration of the class, and then the class got over and everybody they did their namaskarams And they went to Akka, they took blessings, they touched her feet, they took blessings. Akka, why is everybody touching your feet and then hugging you? And then she tell me, very, very lovingly that, at the end of the day, each child takes something along with them when they go back home. And very enthusiastically I'd say, knowledge. And then she'd say, no. And then I was like, what? She's like, obviously they take knowledge. अब वो class आ रहे तो कुछ तो सीख के जाओगे ही ना. Think of something else, think out of the box. And that was Akka. I mean, everything had to be out of the box. Everything had to be unconventional. So very apprehensively I said, डांट. And then she said, अरे यार, सीखोगे, गलती करोगे, डांट तो खाओगे, तो सीखने के साथ साथ that is complimentary. She said, think of something else. And then finally, accepting my defeat, I told her, nahi pata ka. And then she'd say, love. And I think that one word answer might not have made such a big impact on my life at that point of time. And when I was asking Akka, why does this happen? But I think now that I look back at it, I actually understand the essence of the word Akka.
चल तेरा शुक्रिया शायद मिले न तू कल की सुबह जो दिया मैंने हंस के लिया है जिंदगी तेरा चल शुक्रिया हर सांस का हर ख्वाब का उम्मीद के सैलाब का तुझसे जुड़ी हर बात का शुक्रिया तेरे धूप का बरसात का थामा जैसे उस हाथ का अच्छे बुरे हालात का शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया